Hi, this is Lucas with Touchboards. I just want to take a quick look at the Triumph board and the packaging that it's going to come in. This is a really high quality interactive screen, and the quality of the packaging matches that. First of all, the cardboard itself, extremely sturdy, very thick, high quality. It's actually held together with screws, which is going to help it maintain structure during shipping. It's going to prevent it from collapsing or ripping apart. It has two built-in handles on each side that are lined with a sturdy plastic. So again, those are not going to collapse when you actually move this box. So now let's take a look at what is inside the box. So here's what's actually inside of that cardboard. As you can see, there's this really nice, thick, custom piece of foam protecting the entire top of the board with these ridges and this channel. That comes right off very easily. And there's an additional one that it's actually sitting inside of here on the bottom. Really thick, very sturdy. It's holding the whole thing up right now. The board itself is in this anti-static bag that's going to protect the electronics. It actually has all the accessories right in here. You're going to get all the power cables, comes with multiple different international cables. There's also a built-in wall mount already installed underneath this bag. You can kind of see the shape of it here. The whole thing's already pre-installed. That's great value. You don't have to worry about messing with that yourself when you receive it. And overall, what this says is it just backs up the quality of this item, because a cheap item is going to have cheap packaging. A high quality item is going to have high quality packaging, and that's exactly what you get with the Triumph board.